Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Charlie and today I bring to you an unboxing. But this time is not an unboxing of a bag. This time is an organizer that I bought for my Noe. I'm going to show you my Noe right now. So this bag doesn't have any problem of structure because it has a vachetta base, but the problem with this bag is that anytime that I want to find an item, it's impossible to find what I'm looking for. And it has been so many instances where I have to pay or I have to grab my phone and I'm like crazy looking for my stuff and I annoyed everybody. So I was like, no more. I need an organizer to find my stuff. And because I really need just organization, I didn't want to purchase a Samorga because those are very expensive and those are, in my opinion, more for the structure of the bag. So as I was browsing on Amazon, hi Francesca, I'm browsing on Amazon again. I came across this brand and I found one that it seems to be the right size for my Noe, and it came in 3 days, so it was super quick. It was quicker than the Samorga, so we will see the quality now. So this little pouch fell off, which this is like the middle compartment, and the organizer came squished, which is not a good sign because the Samorga came in a big box and it came not squished. But so let me reshape this one and you can see here the brand. The name of the company is Vercord, not sponsored obviously. But if you're watching, you can sponsor me. And I'm going to show you, oops, it's really a pain on the butt that it doesn't have structure. That's one thing. So this is the organizer that I just got. The name of the company is Vercord, and you have 2 slit pockets in the front. You have a big slit pocket in the back. In the sides you don't have any pocket, but you do have 3 slit pockets in the inside, 3 slit pockets more in the detachable pouch with a zipper that says Vercord right here, and another slit pocket right here, and 2 more slit pockets, and this one is detachable. You also have a key holder that is attached to a D-ring right here, and this key holder is completely detachable. And if you decide to take out this piece, you still have the D-ring, just like the Louis Vuitton bags, to hold your mini pochette accessoire, which is very nice. And this is how it looks without the middle compartment. But the only problem if you take out this piece is that it completely loses its shape. It's very flimsy. I'm going to be very honest with you, it's very flimsy without the middle compartment, but I will be using this one because I'm crazy about organization. So this is with the complete set inside, and now I'm going to transfer my stuff from my Noe that I was carrying yesterday. So this is my current situation on the Noe. As you can see, you cannot find anything here. I am that person all the time at the cash register. When I want to pay, I'm start to looking for my my card holder or my wallet, and I cannot find it, and everybody gets super annoyed at me, and I understand because I'm holding the line, but I mean, it's not my fault. So thankfully that will be end thanks to Vercord. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to transfer my stuff. Right here I have my another reading glasses. Right here I have my mini pochette that I could probably attach to the D-ring, but to do it quickly, I'm going to just slide it here. I have my Corona pochette with just the hand sanitizer and the tissues, and I'm going to put that here next to the Sony's. My wallet, which is my card holder, probably should go inside the zipper compartment. Ooh, very smooth, nice zipper, as you can see. I love that. And I have my agenda PM with me in epi leather, and I'm going to slide that next to my mini pochette right there. I have my phone, well, the case for my phone, because I'm currently filming with it, and I'm probably going to slip this one on the slip pocket right here. And I just have my keys and my coin pouch, and I will probably fit my coin pouch here, and my keys, let's put it in the outside pocket so we see how they look. And yesterday I went to grab some vitamins, so I had these ones off my bag, so I'm going to slip them right here. This one is really bulky here, so I'm going to make some changes with that. I'm going to put that one here. Yeah, that one, that's way better. So this is how it looks inside the organizer. And I have my keys on the outside, but that's making me really nervous, so I'm going to put them inside. So as you can see, I still have a ton of room. I didn't use these 2 slit pockets in the outside. I didn't use the 3 slit pockets on the inside in the detachable pouch. And I still have another slit pocket here and the big one here, which I probably will use to store my receipts and stuff like that. So now let's go how does it going to fit inside my Noe. So here she is, the busted queen, because this is the bag that my dogs chew. As you can see, this bag is the one that the dogs chew, and the base is really damaged with watermarks, but I don't care because this is the bag that I use without any worry of anything. I mean, did you just saw that? I mean, oh my god, you guys, look at this. Isn't that heaven to us OCD people? Oh my god, look at that. What do you want? What do you want from me? Do you want my card holder? Without looking, I can find my card holder now. What else do you want? You want wipes? I have my wipes here. Guys, I am not longer that person at the cash register holding the queue no more, because I got myself an organizer. Oh my god, you guys, this is perfection. Look at this. And she still has her structure. I never tie these ones, but I use my bag like this. Perfect, absolutely perfect. I love it. She doesn't look weird or anything. I love this organizer. I mean, I have my Samorga. It's a lot of difference between them, but I'm going to compare them on another video, because you guys are shady and don't watch my videos till the end, so I have to make quick short videos. No shade, I'm thankful you are even watching. So yes, you guys, this is my quick unboxing or unbagging of my new organizer. But so far So good. And I'm going to tell you right now the specifics of the brand. The brand is called Vercord, and I choose the size medium in beige. So it was $32 with 62 cents right there. So there you have it, you guys. That was my quick unbagging, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Wait, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and follow me on my Instagram.